Hey my babies, come with me to CVS to teach you how to coupon over $150 worth of product for just $22. These deals are valid May 10th through May 16th.
Alright, before we get into the video, go ahead and follow me to join my Bougie Bestie community or subscribe to my channel. Like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you.
Okay my babies, if you didn't know, the big hair event is back at CVS, so everybody got this 10 off 40 CRT. So we're going to do transaction number 1 using that. It is one of the easiest ways to get a lot of product and earn a lot of extra care bucks back. So I'm going to show you what we're going to get. Start by picking up 2 Dove shampoo and conditioners priced at $5.49. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Clip this 4 off 2 coupon. Okay besties, next we're going to pick up 2 Chi iron guards priced at $6.99 a piece. Now honey, my store is not tagged, but when you buy 2, you're going to earn back $10 in extra care bucks. I don't have any coupons for this one. Next we're going to get 2 L'Oreal Magic Root cover-ups priced at $8.99. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $6 in extra care bucks. I'm using this 8 off 2 manufacturer coupon. Okay my babies, this is what our cart looks like. $42.94, but we have $22 in coupons. That includes your 10 off 40 big hair event CRT. Check out and pay $20.94 plus taxes. $94 plus taxes. We've earned $21 back in extra care bucks, and we're going to use that on transaction number 2. Picking up 3 soft soaps priced at $5.75 this week. You spend $15, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. If you would like to mix and match with Irish Spring body wash, you can. For all the coupons I'm using, everyone should have this 5 off 3 manufacturer coupon, 1 off CRT, and a 3 off 15 CRT. Again, these are given to you based on your spending and purchasing habits. Pick up 2 Axe deodorants priced at $6.79 a piece. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $4 in extra care bucks. This 6 off 2 coupon. I'm going to pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste priced at $3.99. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $4 in extra care bucks. Clip this 3 off 2 coupon. Hey besties, this is what our cart looks like. Our total is $38.81, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. We have $18 in coupons and $21 in extra care bucks from the previous transaction, which leaves you to pay $0 and 0 cents. Period. Now let's go check out. Keep going. Oh,
continue button.
You see it. Continue. We earned $13 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use that on transaction number 3. 1 Nivea Skin Firming Lotion priced at $13.49. Clip this $3 coupon. When you spend $20, you're going to earn back $10 in extra care bucks. And 1 Nivea Lotion priced at $7.49. This $2 coupon. I'm also going to be using this 3 off 15 CRT. Besties, this is what our cart looks like. Our total is $20.98, but we have $8 in coupons and $13 in ECB from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay $0 and 0 cents again. Period. Now let's go check out. 5, 4, and 4. Ooh.
Scan coupon now.
You see it. Okay, besties, we got our $10 back in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our next transaction. A 6 count of Total Home paper towels priced at $7.99 this week. I'm using this 1 off CRT. 1 box of Tylenol Precise patches priced at $7.59. My store is not tagged, but when you buy 1, you're going to earn back $3 in extra care bucks. Clip this $3.50 coupon. Okay, my babies, this is what our cart looks like. Your total is $15.58, but we have $4.50 in coupons and $10 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay just $1.08 plus taxes. $1.08 plus taxes. Okay, my babies, we earned back $3 in extra care bucks. Now, honey, you can spend it on whatever you or your household may need or want in CVS. Now, honey, I'm going to save mine. I don't know. I ain't going to be here next week because my birthday coming. I ain't going to be at CVS next week. But anyway, I'm saving mine. We got a whole month to use it. Okay, now I'm going to call you back. I'm going to call you back.